Mae'n wythnos enfawr I ddau o glybiau mwyaf y brif adran yng Nghymru, gyda ffeinal Cwpan Merched Cymru yn digwydd dydd Sul yma rhwng Met Caerdydd a Chaerdydd. A fi wedi dod fan hyn I gampws King Coed I ddechrau I weld sut mae paratoadau'r Met yn mynd.
I think the mood in the camp is really positive. We're taking lots of what we've already done in this season, in the previous cup final, from last weekend as well. And we're really just going to take it in and give it everything we've got. It's the last game of the season. We're going to leave it all out there.
Probably over the last second half of the season, we've seen every game as a cup final. We've wanted to go out, we've wanted to go and win. But yeah, I would say Welsh Women's Cup final, massive, something that we definitely want to come away with.
It's been a bit of a running joke this season that we've played Cardiff every single week, so some of the games have been really close and quite end-to-end.
Cardiff City are a really good team, so we know that we've got to prepare well, and when we go into that game on Sunday, we've got to be at our best as well.
Playing in the Welsh Cup myself years ago, it is something that you look forward to, and it is something that you want to come away with, and you can almost sort of feel it, can't you? But hopefully, yeah, we can put in a really good, solid performance on Sunday.
We think we've got a lot of experience, hopefully on the day that will help us get out of certain situations and yeah, hopefully lead us to win the cup.
In terms of this season, it has been very long, so for us to round it off would be great. But in terms of the last time we won silverware across other seasons, it would be huge to, round it off to say we've won 2 trophies this year, and overall it's been a really successful year for us.
Wel dyna beth o dynmyfyrwyr I weid, ond beth am I ni fynd draw I glywed gan yr adar gleision.
The girls are absolutely buzzing for the game, and I think we're coming to it in good form, and we've had a couple of really good experiences recently. And yeah, we're just excited now for Sunday, and it's a great way to end the season. If we can cap it off some silverware, then happy days.
We're all super up for it, so the mood in training's been super high. We're really excited because I know family and friends that are buzzing for it, and yeah, hopefully there'll be loads of supporters there.
We've been grateful to be in 2 cup finals. Unfortunately, we lost to Cardiff Met in the recent one, but we've got them again on Sunday, so we're really pushing and we're hoping for a good result.
Based on just this season's results alone, we haven't beaten them yet, so we are probably underdogs. I think it'll be pretty similar to what we've played previously. We're expecting a very physical game, a very competitive game, but obviously looking to hopefully change the result from previously.
I think we are going to want it more on Sunday, and I think we deserve it. I think it's now our time to get that silverware.
You may see a few tears at the end, hopefully not from me, but it would mean everything. I know everyone talks about their journey, everyone has a different journey and a different path, and I think that ours has been special to us, and they deserve something now. They deserve that silverware to show everyone what they can do.